You are poor, you are weak, you are stupid, you are ugly, and you are short. You are none of the things I am. But I have an opinion. Well, yeah, Tate thinks this, but I think... Nobody cares what you think! You're poor and stupid and weak and small.
It's gonna be Hiroshima in here!
I hope she made lots of spaghetti.
I don't care.
Leash law passed public safety puts dogs on leash. It shouldn't happen to a dog, says dogs.
Crunches, way to crunchies. That's what I love. Nestle Crunch.
Nigga.
I need this more than you, I think.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large. Man, shut your bitch ass up.
That's the old pepper boy. That's the old pigeon. Let's put it over the old plate, boy. You're despicable.
Bye, have a great time.
What a pal, what a pal, what a pal, what a pal.
What? That's bullshit!
He's a stupid.
Fucking right in the pussy.
Probably ask you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up. Knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch.
Why is there no fucking audio? You done messed up, Aaron!
Fucking right in the pussy.
Stop it! Stop!
Spaghetti.
No! Bacon, what have you done?
I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Sorry.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Ah, this is bad. Shit!
That's the old pepper boy. That's the old pigeon. Let's put it over the old plate, boy. You'll be sorry.
Not a big surprise. Entire team is babies.
Never playing this shit fucking game again.
Pow!
What the fuck?
Doctor!
You